Hey guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas, and got another cool one of our Jackal SUV packages behind me. And we've been doing a ton of these packages recently, putting a lot on the YouTube channel. We've done a lot of his and hers as we've been putting out these SUVs along with similar trucks. And no surprise why this is a popular package for us. We're practically the only ones out there offering a true coilover proper suspension for these new GM SUVs, whether it's a 2021 all the way up to 2026, 2027 Yukon, Suburban, Tahoe, Escalade. There's not good suspension options out there. We seem to be the only people who have figured out how to defeat this air ride, defeat this mag ride, and get a really good suspension on here. So that's probably one reason people are doing the Jackal SUV. We get rid of that air ride, mag ride, and come in with 2.5-inch coilovers in the front, 2.5-inch coilovers in the back, gives us about 3 inches of lift up front, 2 in the back. We do a upper control arm in the front for more travel, better ride, more strength. And in the back, we do a lower fabricated control arm, and that keeps our wheels centered when we lift this. Also helps us move in the correct arc when we're getting full travel with these big 35-inch tires that this package is able to clear. And then under the hood, not part of the Jackal SUV package, but something we do a ton of here at PaxPower is supercharging GM 6.2 liters. Like I've said in other videos, a lot of times we're doing a couple of these GM Superchargers a week, and so not surprising, a lot end up in our Jackal SUV package. So this truck has that, went from 420 horsepower to 650 horsepower with this Whipple 3-liter supercharger, torque 420 to 650. It's just a really good package for us. Drives like stock, hauls ass, you know, very good reliability out of these. We have a super low failure rate with these, so overall, really good package. But what I want to focus on with this truck specifically is that when it comes to Jackal SUVs, Jackals, really any of the PaxPower packages, no two trucks are alike. Everybody gets to make it their own. Sure, we're gonna give you some guidance. We think this suspension's best. We think this wheel and tire specs are where you need to be, but we encourage you to make every one of your trucks your own. Customization is something why a lot of y'all are modifying your vehicles, so let's have fun with it and make a one-of-one vehicle. That's exactly what this couple did here behind us with the wife's Tahoe. This was a high country model, covered in chrome, ugly duckling on the dealership lot. Yes, it had nice luxury and tech, but looked terrible. So we addressed that everywhere. You'll see we blacked out everything on this front end, painted the grille, painted the lower chrome section with the tinted windshield we did. Another thing at PaxPower, we can do tint windows. It just gave the front end of this a very, very mean look. Coming around to the side, customers get to pick their own wheels and tires. We want everybody's truck to look a little bit different. So Jackal SUVs in the shop, you know, this truck is riding on 20-inch fuel forged wheels with a 35-inch Toyo. You know, maybe you want to go the other way. On the shop right now, I've got one with 17s. Earlier this morning for a Jackal SUV, I ordered 24s. So you're encouraged to go whatever direction you prefer, like, make this truck your own. Wheels, mentioned that. Tires, same thing. BFG, Toyo, you know, Nitto, whatever you like to run, whatever size, whatever tread pattern, we're happy to accommodate that for you. Mentioned the blackout on the front. We did that everywhere on this truck. This truck had chrome roof rails, had chrome around the window here, had chrome around the door handle here, lots of chrome on the back that we'll show in some other shots. Know that we do that right. We removed all of this trim, we painted it. You know, we build high-end vehicles at PaxPower, and that goes into all of the accessories and things that we do to them for you guys. So This truck, you know, we painted all of this to make a one-of-one high country that didn't look like everybody else's, covered in chrome, wasn't modified cheaply with vinyl. No, we did it right, and we would do it right for you. And another thing on this truck, kind of one-of-one, also a thing we've started to offer at PaxPower. We've done a handful of them now. Customers love them. They turn out really well, and we're happy to do it, and that's accessory lighting. You know, a lot of you think about the off-road lighting that we do on our Jackals and Raptor builds and things like that. Yes, that is an awesome form of lighting, and that's what I have on my own truck. But some of y'all want some like fun lighting, some look cool in parking lot or headed to the beach or whatever kind of lights, and we're happy to do that too. So on this truck, it's covered in it. May look stock from the outside, but man, at nighttime, and we'll show y'all some of the footage, it looks completely different. So we've done the headliner in this truck, complete starry roof with dual color, got controllers for that. The entire, all the door panels and dash, we've put LEDs in there that can be any color. This, they wanted pink to be the primary color on this, but it could be anything with just the flip of a switch. We did rock lights throughout this, and so rock lights in the fender wells, rock lights under the truck. You know, this thing has quite the presence at night. And so whatever your style is, whatever you're gonna use your Jackal SUV, your supercharged SUV, know that we can do it. We love customizing for our vehicles. We're set up to do it. And if you want a one-of-one GM SUV built to this level, the first step is always the same. Give us a call at PaxPower. We'd love to hear from you.